Yodify Tutorials presents Creating Custom Fields. From your Yodify admin portal, navigate to Settings, Custom Fields. Add a new field. Select a name and field type from the drop-down. Add field values and images if applicable. These are what you want to show up on the product. Choose locations you would like the values to show up on the Filter, Product Page, and Product Card sections, then save your selection. Navigate to a Product Edit page from your product catalog, your products, and choose any applicable product. Head to the Custom Fields section, and you will see the fields you created. Attach applicable values and save. These values can appear on the product header, in the specifications, on the product card, and even as filter criteria. Thank you for watching this Yodify tutorial.